might be an entrepreneur starting a business or already have an established company. You might work from home, shared office, or have several offices. Wherever you start your work, the challenge is the same: how to keep in touch, particularly when you're on the move. In the old days, we had to buy, install, and maintain an expensive phone system and pay for expensive phone lines. It's no way to run a cost-effective business, and that's why we created Setera. We have over 35 years experience and specialize in a world that relies more and more on effective mobile communications. There's no hardware to purchase, no software to install, and no expensive phone lines to rent. It's all on the cloud. Setera has all the functions of your old PBX and integrates your mobiles and office into one unified communication system. Here's how it works. Every department and employee is given a dedicated number. If you already have your own numbers, you can, of course, keep them. You keep your existing main company number. Calls can go to your receptionist or be answered by any one of your staff. Or, using Auto Attendant, you can record a main greeting. Let's take Mike as an example user. He only puts one number on his business card. When people call Mike, they can be connected to his desk phone, his cell, or his soft phone. He decides where his calls are directed. He might choose to have calls ring first on his desk phone, and if he's not reachable, after 10 seconds, his cell or soft phone will ring. He can be anywhere in the world. The call will reach him. And there's a lot more. You don't have to pay for staff to have mobile phones. They can use their own. Mike doesn't mind because callers are only given his dedicated Setera number, and when he chooses to have his calls diverted to his mobile number is kept private. The same applies for outgoing calls, and he has the option to free calls using Wi-Fi or the internet. Unlike in the past, if there is a power outage or the office phone cable is cut, calls are automatically redirected to his mobile, so his calls are never lost. So Mike never misses an opportunity to provide a great customer experience. Setera helps you to run your business. For instance, we report time to answer, unanswered calls, call length, numbers called, call cost, and much more. Setera not only understands the need for high-quality, secure, and reliable communication, but also the need for flexibility if circumstances change. We don't ask to sign a long-term contract. You can add or remove users at any time. There are no maintenance costs, no waiting for an engineer to call, and there are no hidden costs. We invite you to join the thousands of businesses and entrepreneurs who rely on Setera every day to sound more professional and stay connected.